As a 22 years of being a holistic doctor, I'm an expert in Ayurvedic medicine. I have been working with thousands of clients, helping them to balance the mind, body, and the soul. The modern era is about all the chronic conditions and autoimmune conditions, and we are all chasing the conventional path where we get obviously stuck with just following the pills and invasive procedures approach. But at the same time, the program, Integrative Wellness Program, works with inside-out healing. We always say that the conventional path is outside-in healing, and when you actually join Integrative Wellness as a inside-out healing, you actually meet in the middle point, and that makes a total health care. And that's what is about Integrative Wellness healing, and it's all simple, easy, but obviously you need to be someone to be holding hand. And I've been working with, again, thousands of clients who come to me years after years in the stuck patterns of, first of all, getting imbalance, chronic conditions, autoimmune conditions, and at the same time they are taking tons of pills, but they feel stuck and they just don't feel the release or health. And that's why actually we continue to work on natural healing protocols, just simple natural dosha related, which is individualized pattern of foods, lifestyle, and a wonderful healing signature program, body treatments. Those are 5 days, 10 days, signature healing body treatments that release emotional patterns, stuck patterns, and then they initiate self-healing inside from the cell. And those programs continue to help you where you can eventually start reversing the pills, reduce the complications, reduce the medicines, and actually enjoy a full life, which is actually a total connect of body, mind, and soul. This is the program, again, very intensely monitored under doctors' obviously supervision. You work with me very closely. I guide you. This is my whole years of 22 years of work together. And actually, the wonderful part is more doctors are supporting. I have been successful joining hands with medical doctors. They come to me for their own healing, and they also refer me tons of their own patients, and I will continue to work them offering integrative wellness healing, joining hand with conventional medicine. My important work that I come in is that instead of chasing problems as a symptom-based approach, I actually help you discover the root cause of imbalance and actually help you to look within that a single pattern can be obstructing your healing. So actually finding the root cause and then working with natural healing program will completely help you to come to the balanced place, and that is the place to be healthy and happy.